Hi tech mongers, the WhatsApp feature that we have all been waiting for is finally here. Now you can add multiple phone numbers to one WhatsApp and switch between them just like you would on other social media. This is a feature that WhatsApp arch rival Telegram has had since time immemorial, but thank goodness it's finally here. This is a big one for people with multiple businesses who want to tie customers of each business to a specific phone number. Unfortunately, this feature is only available on the normal WhatsApp for now, and I was kind of hoping that this would be best for WhatsApp business. My other disappointment is that you can only add 2 phone numbers for now, but I'm pretty sure this will be expanded in future updates. So let's see how to set this up. Open your WhatsApp, tap on your profile image at the top right corner, tap on your WhatsApp name, select add account and follow the usual process to register your second number, and it's as easy as that. Now that's 2 numbers on your WhatsApp, so it's bye-bye to WhatsApp cloning. So let me know what you think about this feature in the comment section. Share this video with your friends so that they too can know what's up with WhatsApp. Like and follow for more tips like this.